This is a music stand, a classic mahogany music stand. I'm not sure when it would have been made, but I was given some rough drawings of this piece, and then I modeled it up in SketchUp. The difficult part was up here. This is a double music stand, so both sides can be used simultaneously, and they have an adjustment for the angle, and this was the most difficult part to figure out how to do it. There is this hinged music holder part that is hinged up here at the top on this frame, this dovetailed frame, and also is an arm assembly in here that is hinged down at this location here, and that arm connects in with some ratchet teeth that are located in this middle frame structure. So what I've done is to try to create an animation of this movement of adjustment. It also, this can be rotated around this pole in the center. But let me go back to this start position here and then view the animation, and I can pick play, and we should see some movement here of these hinged parts, and then the intersection of that arm into the teeth, the ratchet teeth. I'm only opening one side here. The other side has the same arm and music holder and would work the same way.